Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2020 Ford Fusion. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Make every drive count in this sporty, sophisticated Fusion. This midsize four-door leverages the latest technology to keep you safe, connected, and entertained, while it suits and spoils you with a tasteful, luxurious interior and silky smooth ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, dual zone AC, power driver seat, Wi-Fi hotspot, aluminum wheels, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control. This elegant Fusion won't last, and you deserve the chance to take it out for a road test. Stop in and let our expert staff put you in the driver's seat. We'll take excellent care of you.